YouTube gives you a lot more tools than you might realize. And one of the most underrated, cards. Here's an example. Look at the top right of this screen to see this channel's card. They're those little teasers that pop up in the top right corner of a video. You've probably seen them flash up with a title like, "Watch this next," or "See how I did it." But what exactly are YouTube cards? How do they work? And most importantly, how can you use them to boost views, increase retention, and guide your audience exactly where you want them to go? That's what this video is all about. Turn on captions if you want to read along. They're available. I'll explain what cards do, where to place them, how they show up, and how to avoid the most common mistakes. And if you've ever added a card and wondered why no one clicked it, we'll fix that too. Let's start with the basics. What are YouTube cards? YouTube cards are interactive elements you can add to your videos. They appear in the top right corner as a small eye icon or preview, and they're clickable. You can use them to promote another video or playlist, link to another channel, drive traffic to an approved website, encourage viewers to respond to a poll, highlight a product if you're in the YouTube Partner Program. Think of them as signposts, gentle nudges that say, "Here's something else worth watching." But don't confuse them with end screens. Those are the bigger panels at the end of your video. Cards, on the other hand, can appear at any time during your video, giving you much more flexibility to guide viewers in real time. Why use cards? Here's the thing. Most people don't watch a video all the way to the end. They get distracted. They lose interest. They scroll. But if you use a card at the right moment, just as they're thinking of leaving, you can redirect them to another video, keep them on your channel, and boost your watch time. The more people spend time watching your video equals better rankings, and that means more essential income. Better rankings means more discovery. That's how you grow on YouTube. Cards also help you to reinforce a point by linking to a related video. So you can build bingeable playlists or highlight older videos that still offer value and reduce drop-off cliffs where viewers leave your video. Here's some types of cards you can add. Let's break them down quickly and take a closer look. You can have links to your videos or a playlist you've created. So, the key use of cards is to promote relevant content from your own channel. For example, if you're talking about how to design thumbnails, you could link to a full tutorial video. Or you could link to a different creator that you like, if you think that would provide additional value to the viewer. Handy for collaborations, shoutouts, or if you have a second channel. You can ask your viewers questions and see how they respond. This builds engagement, but YouTube has been quietly retiring poll cards for many users, so availability may vary. Link cards let you drive traffic to an external site, but only if it's been approved by YouTube. Perfect for affiliate offers, your own website, or a lead magnet. But again, you need to be in the YouTube Partner Program. Most of the time, if you're just getting started, you'll be using video or playlist cards, and that's more than enough to grow your channel. This is an example of how cards can look to the viewer. This is where cards can get a bit confusing. It doesn't actually look like we expect a card to look like. When you add a card, YouTube shows a teaser, that little banner that slides in from the top right during the timestamp you choose. It's a short line of teaser text, which you can customize. If the viewer clicks on the teaser or the eye icon, the full card panel expands, showing all active cards on that video. But if they don't interact within a few seconds, the teaser disappears and the eye icon disappears. It will only reappear if you pause the video or hover your cursor over the video area. So, here's some things to keep in mind. Your teaser text and timing of your card appearing matter more than the actual card itself. You have to give people a reason to click and a moment to notice. How to add cards to your videos. You can only add cards from a desktop, not the mobile YouTube Studio app. Here's how to add cards. Go to YouTube Studio. Find the video you want to edit, click Details, then Editor, select Cards in the editor timeline. Choose what type of card you want, set the timestamp where it should appear, add your custom teaser text, keep it snappy. Click Save. You can add up to 5 cards per video, but that doesn't mean you should. Best practices for using YouTube cards. If you want your cards to actually get clicked, here's what works. 1. Timing is everything. Don't place cards right at the start. Your audience hasn't settled in yet. Wait until about 30 seconds in, or place them strategically just before a moment of drop-off. Check your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics. Where viewers tend to leave, that's where a card can save the session. 2. Make your teaser text irresistible. This is what people see when the card first appears. It has to grab attention. Use action verbs, cliffhangers, or value statements. See how I doubled my views? Watch this trick in action. This next step is critical. 3. Link to videos that make sense. If you're talking about thumbnails, don't link to a video about affiliate marketing, even if it's your best performing one. Keep it relevant and logical. That's how you build trust. 4. Don't overdo it. One well-placed card that keeps people watching is worth more than 5 ignored ones. 5. Think mobile. First, most people are watching on their phones. Test your card placement on mobile. Does it block something important? Is it too early? Can they actually read it? Mistakes to avoid with cards. Let's go through the most common blunders. Mistake number 1. Placing a card when you're making a big point. Cards are visual. They steal focus. So don't insert them when you're saying something critical. You'll just split your viewer's attention. Mistake number 2. Using generic teaser text. Watch this next is fine, but you won't believe what happened next is more clickable. Always write teasers with intention. Mistake number 3. Adding all 5 cards. Just because you can. YouTube lets you add 5, but that doesn't mean your viewer wants 5. 1 or 2 well-placed cards are enough. Think quality, not quantity. Mistake number 4. Linking to unrelated content. If someone's watching a video on setting up a faceless channel, don't suddenly drop in a card about your vlog from 2 years ago. Stay on topic, or at least explain why it's worth watching next. Mistake number 5. Not reviewing analytics. If no one is clicking your cards, you need to change something. Try a different teaser. Try a different timestamp. Don't just set and forget. How to track and improve card performance. Inside YouTube Analytics, you can dig into your card performance data. Go to YouTube Studio, click Content, then choose a video, click Analytics, then Engagement. Scroll down to find Cards. You'll see data like number of impressions, click-through rate, CTR. Which cards performed best? Use this to spot patterns. Do cards placed at 2 minutes do better than ones at 1 minute? Are people clicking more when you use cliffhanger teaser text? Experiment and adapt. One last tip. Combine cards with playlists. Here's a sneaky growth strategy. Link your cards not just to videos, but to playlists. Why? Because when someone clicks a playlist, YouTube keeps them watching all the videos in it, back to back. That means higher session time, better channel metrics, and more opportunities for your content to rank and be recommended. Build themed playlists and use cards to drive traffic to them. Final thoughts. YouTube cards are easy to overlook, but they're one of the most powerful tools for keeping viewers engaged. Use them to catch drop-off points, promote your best content, build binge-worthy journeys, and gently guide people deeper into your channel. They're not flashy, but when used right, they do something far more important. They keep your audience watching. And that's what YouTube rewards most. If you found this video useful, I'd love you to give me a like. And if you want to see how my journey pans out, hit the subscribe button. When I can afford it, I'm going to get Matt Parr's Tube Mastery course myself. What do you think? Is it worth it? The link's in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.